We had big rain in the last few days, and today we're gonna have a look on Lake Brienz, how it looks like, okay? I walk now down to the lake, through the nice houses. This is always a visitor birth to walk through Brienz. We check now the Brunngasse, how it looks like. It's been a while since my last visit here. Oh, flowers are blooming. Can you see the cat? Huh? The cat is here. Can you see it now? Hi, cat. So now we go to the lake, okay? Promenade is still here. It's not that bad, but you see the level of the lake. Yeah, it's quite high, and the color. Love the color. I guess that this water is probably coming from the basement. Huh? Yep. Everything looks quite normal, huh? Yes, the level is high. We all can see this, but the promenade is still here. Yeah, this is quite high. All right. Oh, crazy. Normally this is down in the water. Yeah. You could almost walk on the lake. Huh? Braucht nicht viel. Normally you could see a few steps here, but now it's only one. Only one step and lake. Ah, yeah. Yeah, normally you could see this on the ground, but now it's in the water. And I was talking to a man who is working for Brienz, and he said that tomorrow the lake will be much higher again. So we will check again tomorrow. Huh? It is so interesting when you live here. You can compare how it looks like in winter, in spring, in summer, in autumn, and where? Spring, winter, autumn, summer. Did I forget something? No, I don't think so. This one wants to come into my video. Je kom. Yes, normally there is no water here. Yeah, they filled up. Oh, nice flowers. Well, it is not that spectacular as I expected. But yes, of course, the lake is on a high level. Oh, the colors. Oh, nice. Yeah, but one step and you're in. I love the sound of the water, das Glucksen. We call it Glucksen in Switzerland. You want to hear it? There are, of course, other areas with more water and with more dangerous situations, but I do not recommend to do catastrophe tourism. So yes, you should always keep attention when you are on lakes with a high level or rivers, because so many things can happen. Yeah? Always be careful. I'm not in danger here, so no worry. And if you ask where Rasta is, when I do some village stuff like this, he is at home. Yeah. Much better for all nerves. Do you see this creek? It looks so harmless, right? But many years ago, just a minute, the creek was so big that he flooded the house away. Not the whole house, but the half of the house. Crazy, huh? And then they built something that the creek is not able again to do this. Yeah. Yeah, on this corner, it don't need much to overflood. Yeah. Yeah, also here, about 10 centimeters. Yeah. Maybe we're gonna have a look tomorrow to compare, huh? But always, you know, safety first, huh? Wow, here the water is almost in the garden, huh? It's impressive, very, very impressive. Beautiful, dangerous element. Here you see it clearly, huh? How high the lake is. 10 centimeters, and then water is here. The ships are almost on my level. Crazy. Here you can see the high level of the lake, the ship are not running on the lake at the moment. They stay here. On the harbour, klar, ja. Yeah. Wow, look, it's all underwater. Crazy. This is really special because normally the lakes are not so full with water. Special situation.